Question number 6. Here is our equation. They want us to figure out the vertex, the equation of the line of symmetry, the number of x-intercepts, and is the vertex a maximum or a minimum? So here we go, class. Take a look at our equation. We have got these values showing up, and you saw the pattern a moment ago. And in class, our a value is going to be the number we multiply this x squared term by. The h value is what we're adding or subtracting inside the parentheses. If you think about Optimus quilts, we're actually increasing the side length of that quilt square. And then our k value is the number of area units we're adding to the end. So all we got here on our vertex is h, comma, k. And our h value here, let's change colors. Our h value here is -1. Remember, it's always the opposite movement from what you think it is. We're actually moving the parabola to the left when we're adding 1 inside the parentheses. And then our k value is 6. So there is our vertex. At this point, class, let's go ahead and graph this. Let's write our a, h, and our k values here again. So we've got h, k, and a. H, we just figured out a moment ago, is -1. K value is 6, and our a value right here, class, is actually -1. Remember in math, we don't have to put the 1 here. We assume this is a -1 times this value. All right, so we got our h, k, and a. Let's go ahead and graph this parabola. H and k, -1, 6, that's our vertex. So -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is our vertex. And now, class, take a look at this little table again, kind of to give you an idea how the pattern works. Here is our parent function. This is our normal movement from the vertex over 1, and then from the vertex over 2, and the vertex over 3. Now for our new one, we're going to take every one of these outputs, and we're going to multiply it times our a value. So that equals -1. -1 times 4 is -4. And -1 times 9 is -9. So we're going to go over 1, down 1, over 2, down 4, and over 3, down 9. So over 1, down 1, over 2, 1, 2, 3, down 4. Notice every time I count, class, I go back to the vertex. So over 1, down 1, back to the vertex, over 2, down 4, back to the vertex, over 3, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, you always count the number of spaces. You don't look at your x and y axis and try to figure out where it is. Just count out the squares. And now we're going to go ahead and let's draw our line of symmetry right through the vertex. I can actually get that to be reasonably straight. It keeps on wanting to move over for me. Still not very straight. I guess got to leave it. There we go. There's our line of symmetry. Let's go ahead and reflect our points. This point is 1 to the right of the line of symmetry. We go 1 to the left, 2 to the right, 2 to the left, 3 to the right, 3 to the left. Connect those together, and that will give you your new parabola. Our questions are, equation for line of symmetry. Well, class, that comes right from either the h value of your vertex, or you could just look at where this vertical line crosses the x-axis. It crosses it at -1. So we've got x equals -1. Again, don't say the line of symmetry is -1. That doesn't tell you anything about the graph. It's where the x values are all equal to -1. Number of x-intercepts, you can see, class, this parabola crosses the x-axis at 2 places. And the vertex here, if you look at this, is definitely the highest point. So it is the maximum point. That finishes up this question.